Hello, my dear students. Welcome to the session. This is Neha Gupta, your mathematics educator, and in today's session, we are going to solve some really important questions of NSTSE. And these all questions are some previous year questions of your exam NSTSE. Okay, so my dear students, these all questions are very important. Okay, so just read the question very carefully with me and try to solve all the questions. All right. Okay, so let me show you the first question for today. Just take a pen and paper or a pencil and a paper with you. Okay, and try to solve it. All right. So here is the first question for today. Okay, we will read all the questions very carefully and try to solve all the questions correct. Okay, all right. Here is the first question. Arun thinks of a number. Okay, so there is a person, Arun, and he thinks of a number. Okay, he writes these clues so his friend can guess it what is Arun's number. So basically, I can say that they are playing a magical game, right? So Arun thinks a number, he is giving some hints, and then their friends have to identify that which number is this. Okay, all right. So let me try to find out that which number Arun thinks. Okay. So the first hint is number is less than 1000. Okay. So the number is less than 1000. The number has 9 tens. 9 tens, 90 tens. 90 tens is what? 90 tens is 90 times 10, which is 900. Okay, so the number have 900. Okay, that means I can see that the number is between 900 to 1000. Yeah. Now the next hint. What about the next hint? The next hint is the digit in the ones place is the same as the digit in the hundreds place. So the digit in the ones place is similar to the digit in the hundreds place. So now it is fixed that the digit in the hundreds place will be 9. That means the digits at the unit weight it should also be equal to 9. So what is the number? The number is 909. Okay, we guessed the number. We complete the game. Correct? Perfect. All right. So, guys, I can think that you all guys are very intelligent, right? Okay. Let's move to the next one. If the weight of a plate in the figure is 100 grams, okay. So the weight of plate is 100 grams. Then what is the weight of this plate? Okay. So basically, what I have to do for this, first I have to check the meter, right? So in the meter, as I can see, the needle on the 600, right? The needle on the 600. That means the total weight for the plate and for the cake, it is 600, right? The total weight of plate and cake, the meter is measuring 600. Now, this is 100. So what about this? Yes, this is nothing but 600 minus 100, which is equal to 500. So 500 gram, yes, option C is right answer. Correct? Very good. You cracked this one nicely. Okay, let's move to the next one. So here is the next question. Arrange the given sequence in the descending order and then select the sum of the first and the middle digit among the given options. Okay. So basically, some numbers are given, right? The numbers are 5, 8, 3, 2, and 6. These digits are given here. So what you have to do? Arrange the given sequence in the descending order. You have to arrange these all numbers in the descending order. Descending order means decreasing order. Decreasing order means first you have to write the greatest number, then smaller, 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 and smaller. Okay. So which digit is greatest in these all? Yes, 8 is the largest one. And then 5. And then, oh, my mistake. First of all, 8 is the largest one. Then 6. And then 5. And then 3. And then 2. So this is the descending order. The decreasing order. Right? So now select the sum of the first and the middle digit among the given options. Okay. So which one is the first digit? This is the first digit. right? And which one is the middle digit? This is the middle digit. That means 8 plus 5, which is equals to 13. So 13 is the right answer. Option D is the right answer for you. Okay. Let me show you the complete detailed solution to the given question. Perfect. So this question is also done. We cracked this question also. Now let's move to this next question. Let me show you the next question. So here is the next question. Okay, this question also looks like very interesting. Let's check this is interesting or not. The question is choose the correct statement to capacity. Okay, here you have to find out the capacity, right? Okay, the weight of an apple, the weight of an apple, okay, the length of a hall, the amount of time it takes to walk to school, the amount of water a swimming pool holds. So, this is the capacity, right? What a pool can hold. This is the capacity. See it? Right? This is the capacity because this is only a weight, right? This is only weight. This is length. This is not capacity. Capacity means how they can hold, right? This is the amount of time. So this is only we are measuring the time, right? But this is the capacity. We are just measuring that how much it can hold. So this is the capacity. Option C is the right answer. Perfect. Okay. Now the next one. Which option does not describe the given picture? Okay, so how many apples are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, 12 oranges are there. I think this is not apple, this is orange, right? So, 4 trees, 4 trees. So, yes, 4 trees are there. This is a pair of trees, right? And this is the first pair, this is the second pair, this is the third pair, this is the fourth pair. So, 4 trees, this is correct. 4 group of 3, 4 group of 3, this is also the same thing, right? And this is again 4 group of trees, right? 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, 4 group of trees. This is also correct. Okay, 4 group of 3, 4 group of 3 means what? There are 4 groups, 1, 2, 3, 4, and each group holds 3. Each group holds 3, right? So yes, option C is the right one. But in the option D, we have 4 groups of 4. We don't have 4 groups of 4. Yes, we have 4 groups. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We have 4 groups. But in each, we have only 3 oranges. So this one is not right. Correct? So which one is incorrect? D is incorrect. The question is asking which does not describe the given picture. So option D is the right answer. Very good. Perfect, my dear students. You all guys are rocking. Now, let's move to the next. Choose the correct statement. Okay. So here some options are given about the time. Okay. So with the time, there are two things. The first one is AM and the first one is PM. So AM we use for morning times. Okay, and PM we use for night times whenever it is dark outside. Okay, so whenever it is dark outside we use PM. Whenever it is light outside we use PM. Okay, the first one 12:10 PM is in the morning. So PM means the night time. So it should be night, not in the morning. This statement is not correct. Move to the next one. Okay. 12:10 a.m. is the afternoon. So a.m. 12:10 a.m. Okay. So in the noon time. Okay. 12. Whenever it's afternoon and whenever it is 12. Right? It's 12 noon. Correct? So when we are going forward from the 12 noon, it is always PM. And whenever we are moving ahead, whenever we are moving in the backward direction, it is AM. We have 12:10 is greater than 12 o'clock. So it is not AM, it is PM. The next option 12:10 PM is in the afternoon. Yes, this is right. This is correct. Right? Option C is the right answer. Okay, because 12:10 that means this time is greater than 12. So it should be PM. Correct? And this is in the afternoon. Correct. 12:10 a.m. does not exist. No, this time also exists. So only option C is the right answer. Rest are incorrect. Yeah. Okay, then jump to the next question. Which option can be made up to only one triangle and one square? Okay, let me check this one. So in this we can say that this is triangle and this is square. This is right. In this we can say this is square and this is rectangle. But I need one triangle and one square. This is not right. In this we have triangle, square, triangle. That means two triangle plus one square. This is also not right. In this we have one rectangle and one triangle. This also we don't need because we need one triangle and one square. So option is right answer. Okay. All right. The next one. Rakesh had four fish tanks. Okay. Rakesh had one, two, three, and four. Four fish tanks. Each tank had 10 fish in it. Okay. So in one tank, he had 10 fishes. Very good. He then bought one more tank. He shared all the fish equally between the five tanks. How many fish are there in each tank? Okay. So then he took one more tank. Now he has five tanks. Right? And how many fishes he has? Now he have 40 fishes, right? 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10, right? So 10, 10, 10 and 10. How many fishes? 40 fishes he has. Now he have to distribute these 40 fishes into 5 tanks, right? So in 5 tanks we have 40 fish. Okay, so in one tank, how many fishes are there? 40 divided by 5, 8. So 8, that means A is the right answer to this question. Clear? Now, my dear students, let me show you the correct detailed solution to this given question. Perfect? Very nice. Now, let's move to the next one. Next question is quite interesting because in this question we are talking about a poster. Okay? So a poster on the wall for 6 weeks. The poster was on the wall for 6 weeks. Okay. So, my dear students, in 1 month, how many weeks are there? In 1 month, we have 4 weeks, right? In 1 month, we have 4 weeks. And they are talking about 6 weeks, right? So, 6 weeks is more than 1 month. Right? 6 weeks is more than 1 month. So option B is the right answer. Here, less than 1 month, this is incorrect. The same as 1 month, this is incorrect because in 1 month we have 4 weeks, but here we are talking about 6 weeks. So it is incorrect. The last is less than 40 days. Okay, so 6 weeks. Okay, in 1 week we have 7 days. 1 week we have 7 days. So in 6 weeks, we have 7 into 6, 42 days. Okay, so 42 days, but they are talking about less than 40. No, this is greater than 40. So this is also not right. Clear? So the correct answer is more than 1. Alright, very nice. Now we are done with this question also. Right, let's move to the next question. Okay, so this is the next question. Choose the correct number statement. Okay, so 4 statements are given. Okay, that means you have to do the question with the help of options. Okay, and you have to check that which one is correct. Okay, alright, so let me check that which one is correct. Okay, so 5 times 7 is equals to this. Okay, so 5 times 7 is equal to 5 plus 5. This is plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. Okay, so how many 5 is there? We are adding the same number again and again. So 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. How many 5 are there? 5. So we can write it 5 times 5. Okay, So 5 times 7 is equal to 5 times 5. This is not right. Statement 1 is incorrect. Now let's move to statement 2. So 5 times 1 is equal to 1. My dear students, whenever I multiply any number with the number comes itself. 7 times 1, this is 7. 23 times 1, this is 23. Right? So this statement is also not right because 5 times 1, this is not equal to 5. This should be equal to 5. Yeah, whenever we multiply any number with 1, the number comes itself. Okay? So this statement is also not right. Let's move to the next one. 2 groups of 5 is equal to 2 5s. 2 groups of 5. 2 groups of 5, that means 5 plus 5 is equal to 2 5. That means 2 into 5. That's right. That's correct. Because 5 plus 5 is 10 and 2 times 5, this is also 10. So I can see that option C is the right answer. Correct? So option C is the right choice. And in the D, we have 6 plus 6 plus 6 is equal to 6 sixes. So 6 sixes matlab 6 6 means 6 times 6. 6 multiplied by 6. So this is 6 times 3 and this is 6 times 6. Both are different, not same, right? So yes, option C is right answer. Correct? Very nice. Move to the next one. Okay, so this is the next question. A number machine takes any number, put into it. Okay. Adds 20, subtract 10, add 8, and if 13 is put into the machine, that means here we are putting 13 into the machine, then what comes out? Okay, let me check what comes out. If 13 add 20, 13 plus 20, 13 plus 20, this is 3 and this is 3, 32. So here it is 33. Subtract 10, 33 minus 10, this is 3 and this is 2, this is now 23. 23 add 8, 23 plus 8. 8 plus 3, 11, 1 and carry 1. So 3 plus 1, 2 plus 1 is 3. So this is 31. Okay, so what comes out? 31 comes out. Option C is the right answer. Perfect. The question is very nice. The calculation is very nice. And we are done with all the calculations. So move to the next one. Okay, here is the next question on the screen. A doll is rupees 35. Choose the correct amount paid to shopkeeper among the options. Okay. So, doll is rupees 35. So, we have to check that in which option we have 35 rupees. Okay. So, let me check the option 2. 20 plus 5. 25. Not 35. 20 plus 10. 30. Not 35. 10 plus 5. 15. Not 35 again. 20 plus 10, 30. 30 plus 5, this is 35. So I can say option A is the right answer. Yeah. Okay. Let's move to the next one. Each student of class 3 bought 10 pencils to school. The students bought 30 pencils in all. Which number represents the total number of students in the class? Okay. So class 3 bought 10 pencils to school and the student bought 30 pencils in all. 30 pencils in all. One student brings 30 pencils. So 10 pencils. One student brings 10 pencils. In total, there are 30 pencils. So what we have to do? Just divide the number. That's it. C is the right answer. Option B. Okay. Each student of class 3 bought 10 pencils. One student bought 10 pencils. So I can see 10 pencils bought by 3 students. So 30 pencils, that means you have to multiply with 3. That's it. That means how many students? 3 students. Option B is the right answer. Okay, let me show you the picture. Oh, the next question is quite interesting because we have a really good image in the next question. How many fewer triangles are there than circles? So that means I have to count the circles and I have to count the triangles. How many triangles are there? Triangles. Okay, so I think 1 and 2, two triangles are there, and how many circles are there? So many circles are there, right? 1, 2, and this is the 3, and this is the 4, right? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. You have to take the circle only, right? So these two you can't count, right? So how many circles are there? 10 circles are there, right? So 10 minus 2, this is equal to 10. Sorry. Just a second. Let me count the circles again. Let's count the circles again because this is quite confusing for you. Okay? So just count the circles again. Let's count it with me again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. 12 circles are there. So the difference is 12 minus 2, 10. That means which one is right? Which one is right? Which one is right? Yes, option D is right answer. Okay? Alright. Let's move to the next one. Compare and fill the box. Okay? So 631. 600, that means 6 into 100, plus 31, that means 30 into 1. 600 means that means 6 into 100, 31 means 30 into 1. And this is 600 plus 10 plus 7. Okay, let me count. So this is 600 plus 30. And this is 600 plus this is 10 plus 7, 70. Okay, this is 630 and this is 617. So I think this one is greater. So option A you can choose, right? 630 is greater than 670. Alright, this is the detailed solution of the given question. Alright, let's move to the next one. Here is the next question. Which option can be made up of only one triangle and one square? Only one triangle and only one square, right? So which option can be made up of only one triangle and one square? Let me check. Okay. So I think we have to divide into two parts, right? Then only there will be only one triangle and only one square. Perfect. Divide it into two parts. The next question. Isha is using paper clip to measure this piece of card. What is the total length of all four sides? What is the total length of all four sides? We have to measure it with paper clips. Okay, so how many paper clips are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 paper clips. Similarly, I can place 5 paper clips here, right? And 3 paper clips. So similarly, I can place 3 paper clips here also. So now let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 paper clips. These right answer. Yeah. So basically, this much paper clips you can place here and this much paper clips you can place here in the opposite side. Yeah. So 16 paper clips are there. That's it. This is your answer. Next one. What is the sum of the greatest and the smallest numbers from the box? Okay, so in the box you can see this is the first number is 8 tenths. 8 tenths is what? 8 tenths is 8 into 10. Right? What is the sum of the greatest and the smallest numbers of the box? 8 tenths, 8 into 10. 8 into 10. This is the first number. 2 ones, 2 into 1. 13 ones, 13 into 1. 4 tens, 4 into 10. 9 ones, 9 into 1. Let me count. This is 80. This is 2. This is 13. This is 40. And this is 9. So which one is the largest one? 80. Which one is the smallest one? 2. So the difference is, the sum. They are asking for the sum. So the sum is 82. Option C is right answer. Yeah. So these questions are quite interesting. You can solve them with a proper strategy. Okay, now the next one. Choose the missing number. So I think you can see that this is nothing but the table of 4, right? 4, then 8, then 12. So 4 times 1, it is 4. 4 times 2, it is 8. 4 times 3, it is 12. So 4 times 4, it is 16. So 16 is the right answer. So the numbers given are basically nothing but the table of 4. Okay. Alright. So the correct answer is 18. Sorry, the correct answer is 16, option C. Alright, the next one, choose the fraction of the shaded circle. Okay, so here you have to write the fraction for this given particular picture. Okay, so how much part is shaded? Okay, so how much part is shaded? One part is shaded, right? And total, how many total parts are there? One and two. Two parts are there. Okay, so 1 by 2 is the right answer. So I can say this is 1 by 2, right? That means one half of the circle. One half of the circle is shaded. Yeah, perfect. All right, students. So this is the complete discussion of your test paper. Okay, now we are done with all the questions. So now what is your duty? So your work is just solve all the questions in a notebook very neat and very clean, because this will help you to do the revision at the time of your exam. Okay, so just open your notebook, use the pencil and solve all the questions very neat and very clean. Okay. Alright students, so this is all I have for today. Now we will meet in the next session with some more interesting questions. Till then, have fun.